In the Players section, you can see all the details about each of your players. You can filter the list of players by status, location, group, or orientation. This makes it easier to find the player that you are looking for. Your other buttons are to synchronize all your players or to add a player. You can see the status of your player, so whether it's currently online or not, its name, model, and location, the options you've selected for it, and its orientation, which is selected based on the display that it's connected to. Content will either be landscape or portrait and only can be added to a player that is connected to a display of the same orientation. You can then synchronize, schedule, edit, or delete the player. Selecting to schedule your player will send you to the Overview section. If you choose to edit a player, you will be sent to this page. You can change its name or its orientation if you've connected it to a new display that is a different orientation. Time synchronization is the time at which your player will automatically synchronize the changes you've made on the platform and not yet synchronized. You can select the time that you want this to happen here. You can also select the dates and times that the player is online, and add or remove it from player groups that you've created. If you want to edit your players' groups, then you press the Manage Player Groups button. You can then see how many players are in each group and what the options are within it. When you edit a group, you can change its name, add or remove options, and select whether a single player can be in more than one option. However, this would obviously not make sense for locations. Then finally, you can choose which option or options each of the players is in. Thanks for watching the video, and make sure you check out the rest of our videos.